Hi there, it's Miss Davenport, and today is the last day that we'll be working on our mask movement project. So this is my final mask, and you'll have one in your folder too. So go ahead and get that out. Get out your folder, which is your placemat, which is the manila paper that might be colored. That's the largest paper you have in there. And then take out that mask, and by this time it should be dry. And you'll have this, and then you can see what your mask looks like when you have it on, or what it would look like if you had it on. Then what we're gonna do is look at it and decide, well, do I want a little more movement? Do I want to crunch some pieces of paper up and make it a little bit more wavy, or make it look a little bit different? And that's what I'm gonna do since it's already dry. And then we're going to move on to a critiquing project of our own project, and actually of my project today. So we're going to do the same thing that we did last week at the end of the project, or last unit. So the first thing you're going to do is critique my project. So you're going to film or record yourself with my project, which the picture will be posted on Seesaw, next to the template of the questions that are going to be asked. So, analysis. You'll know these questions because we did this project together. What is being used? And you'll say, Miss Davenport used watercolor, paper, glue, and scissors to make her project. Interpret. What is going on? And you'll say, well, Miss Davenport wanted to create something that represented water, and I think that she folded these because of something, something, something. And you'll create your own opinion on that. And then question number 4 is to decide, what do you like or dislike about Miss Davenport's work? So you would say something like, I really like the way she used the watercolors in some of the areas, like right here where it's darker, or the dots. And I think that she could have made even more movement in her work, or something that you think that I could improve on. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to post a picture of your work or record a video and do your own self-critique like we did on our last project. So you're going to answer those 4 questions again. So that one is analyze what is being used. So what did you use to make your project? And then interpret what is going on in your project. So why did you make it the way you did? Why did you make it curvy or slanted or have pieces hanging off? 4, decide. What did you like or dislike about your work? So in this work, I liked blah, 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 or I didn't like blah, 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 blah. And instead of the blah, 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 you will have your own opinion about what you liked or disliked about your work. And the last thing I want you to do is to look at your project and think, do I want to change or add anything to it? So would it benefit from having like a crayon added somewhere, a colored piece added somewhere? Maybe you forgot a piece of watercolor at some point. Would it benefit from adding a marker outline somewhere? Would you want to draw eyes on top of your mask piece because we don't have eye holes in them? Would you want to create or add something else to it? And I want you to spend the next few minutes thinking about and adding and changing your piece, and then post that picture on Seesaw. So of your changed and revised piece.